Let us see what do we have here for you guys today. I hope makuha ko yung energies mo. Yes, ikaw sweetheart na nakikinig, nanonood. Nakatingin sa iyong phone, handphone, cellphone, yan, tablet, computer, desktop, no, ano naman yung gamit mo. Let us see. Okay, let's go ahead and check these messages right here. Oh, you're dealing with an emperor in reverse position. Okay. Seven of Air, ego in reverse. Okay, good. It looks like sinasamahan ka ni Universe dito. Kakampi mo si Universe on this one because you have the balance, the justice, and the release. All major arcanas, no, sa middle, no, ng iyong reading, no. So this is definitely good news already for you guys. We have here strategy with the Five of Air. Okay, Two of Fire in reverse, Ten of Air. It looks like alam mo kung ano yung nangyayari, alam mo kung ano yung sitwasyon ninyo nitong kakonek mo, no? So I think this is you dealing here with your partner, your person right here. So let me see at the bottom of the deck, Six of Air, Strength and Transformation. Okay. You want change. So, hi and hello there collective. My name is Yan. Welcome new subscribers. Returning tambayers, thank you sa inyong walang sawang love and support for me. At kung hindi nyo pa knows, meron pa tayong other channel. Link is down below sa ating description box. So if interested, i-click lamang yung link na yan para kayo ay makapunta doon. Araw-araw nag-upload din tayo ng collective readings for all signs there. At yun nga, wala tayong gender dito. So, babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat po ay welcome. Pwede rin pong i-switch ang mga roles dahil possible talaga magkapalit-palit kasi general reading ito. And at the end of the day, lahat po ay may free will na. Free niyong gamitin anytime, anywhere if you want to claim the messages or hindi. At yun nga mga babes, no, from the looks of this, it looks like this is yun na bukod sa alam mo kung anong nangyayari rito, may nalalaman ka, no, on this one. It looks like meron ka rito mga babes, no, na parang gustong malaman, no? Meron ka ritong klase ng energy, no? Na parang may energy ka rin na may hinahanap ka rito, pero mahirap hanapin kung hindi nagpapahanap at mahirap paaminin kung may tinatago. We have here the Emperor in reverse with the ego in reverse. This is someone here, no? Na minamanipulate niya rito ang kanyang mga sinasabi, no? This person here is hari or reyna rito, no? Ng pagtatago. Meron talaga siyang nililihim dito at itong tao na to, no? Hindi niya kayang bitiwan. Hindi niya kayang bawasan at alisin ang kanyang mataas at malaking pride at ego. Kaya naman with the Seven of Air energy, may pinoprotektahan siya. It could be an information that you already knew. Alam mo na yung tungkol dun sa bagay na yun. Gusto mo na lamang manggaling ito sa kanyang bibig mismo. Gusto mo na lamang na umamin siya rito. Pero mga babes, no? Kagaya nga ng isang taong ayaw magpahanap, hindi mahahanap no dahil ayaw magpahanap. Parang energy yan na nagpapanggap na tulog, no? Pero kahit anong gising mo, hindi magising-gising kasi nga gising naman, nagpapanggap lang na tulog. Ganong klase ng energy, no? So, this person here is protecting some kind of information na alam mo na, hindi niya lang sinasabi, tinatago niya kasi may pinoprotektahan siya. And it looks like alam mo kung ano pinoprotektahan niya. Two of fire energy. babae, lalaki, LGBTQs, of course, I'm pertaining with someone else. He's protecting another person, okay? Behind all of his or her actions, sa lahat at sa likod ng lahat ng pinagagagawa niya, no, ay isang mistress, isa rito, no, na someone else or what we call the witch, third party. So, nakita natin dito that this is you're strategizing right here with the five of air kung paano mo mailalabas, no, rito ang katotohanan, no, because you want to give justice here dito sa kanyang mga pinaggagawa. You want to have balance in your connection or in your life, no, because mukhang meron na ritong nasisira, no, the foundation that you build together with this person at yung iba, no, meron ditong involved na pinansyal. So, possible na unti-unti na rin ito na parang nababawasan at nauubos, no, at posibleng may hinalakan ito ay dinadala niya at ginagamit niya, no, dito sa babaeng ito, sa lalaking ito, dito sa someone else na ito, sa LGBTQ, so just take how this resonates, no? Meron ditong someone else. At alam mo, malinaw pa sa sabaw ng pusit na meron rito na pagtataksil, pangluloko, no? And it looks like this is something here, no, na medyo matagal-tagal na ring nangyayari. And you're making a decision right here. So even though with the Tree of Air energy, okay, this is something here that hurts you. This is something here na parang medyo parang meron din ditong kirot sa'yo ritong puso, no? With the Queen of Air, no? Nilalaban mo pa rin ang iyong karapatan. Bilang girlfriend, kung boyfriend mo man yan, LGBTQs, of course, welcome din kayo. Just take how this resonates, no? Or bilang asawa, kung asawa nyo man yan, no? Nilalaban mo rito ang inyong koneksyon, no? At lalo na kung merong mga kids, nilalaban mo rin ito, no? Pero gayon pa man, no, gusto mo pa rin na umamin dahil ayaw mo na palusutin na lang ito ng basta-basta. So, nakikita ko rito na parang, you know, I'm picking up that phrase, no? Hanapin ang buntot kind of thing, no? So, whatever the case may be, parang isa yun sa strategy siguro, no, ninyo guys, no, na hanapin ang buntot, okay? Okay, and when I got that particular praise, no, I'm looking on this card, Two of Fire in reverse. So, parang you're pertaining right here na kung hindi aamin mga babes, no, ang boss or dito, no, na iyong person na lumalabas, no, bilang matigas rito na hindi umaamin, no, an emperor, okay, hahanapin mo ngayon yung pulot dulo ng kasalanang ito. Walang iba, kundi ang third party. So, yan. Parang mangangalap ka ng information that this is true. Okay? So, yun ang nakikita ko dito. Okay? You're gonna do it all by yourself. Okay? You're gonna prove na totoong nag-i-exist, na meron ditong someone else, and it looks like you're giving here justice for you and for your kids, no? And yun nga nakikita ko dito. Eh, kung wala kayong anak, it's okay, it's alright. Okay? Just take how this resonates, no? Nakikita ko rito na pinaglalaban mo yung karapatan mo as well with the Justice card energy. And also, nakikita ko rin dito that you want to have that balance, no, dito sa yung life na because this keeps stressing you, no, na parang matagal-tagal na kayong nasi-stress dahil dito. Okay? At hindi maganda yung stress, nakakabuisit talaga yung stress, lalo na yung kausap mo hindi matino. Yan. So, nakakita tayo ng energy dito mga babes that you cannot really please anybody dahil may sarili rin sila ritong isip, no? Kaya kahit na sirang plaka kang paulit-ulit, wag mong gawin yan, wag mong gawin yan, no? Hindi ka talaga makakasiguradong hindi nila gagawin yan dahil masarap ngang gawin ng bawal. 'Di ba? Parang pagkain lang yan ng bawal, no? Konti lang nito, yan, no? Kaya nga mga babes, no, may trash issues na kayo rito, no? Totoo yun. Pag isang beses lang ginawa, kahit isang beses lang, 'di ba? Tatak na yun na parang tattoo sa'yo. Hindi na yun matatanggal. Eh, markado na yung tao na yun sa isip mo. Yan, no? Kahit anong gawin niyang pagbabago, wala. Yan. So, with the Six of Air energy, strength card right here, transformation. You want change here for yourself. So, I'm seeing right here that kung ano man tong gagawin mong desisyon, you're gonna move on right here, no? And you want to gain here your strength back to you, or yung pinaka nakukuha ko dyan, you want to regain here your confidence, no? Dito sa'yo, ditong sarili, and you want to give here, no, yung justice sa buhay mo. So this change, no, ay alam mong mangyayari, no, kung ito ay sisimulan mo all by yourself. So nakikita ko dito, no, na kayo ito, na ilalabas ninyo yung truth. Okay, remember, the sword that the justice is holding right in here is the sword of truth. Yan. So, nakita ko dito na malalabas rito, no, ang lahat, no. So, parang kayo to na pwedeng i-trigger nung iba sa inyo, yung third party, pwedeng kausapin ninyo, no, na pwedeng kayo rito ay magpadala ng message or whatever, no. So, pwedeng kayo ay magpanggap na baka kayo yung person ninyo or whatsoever, no. So, nakikita ko dito talagang huhulin niyo siya, ano. So, nakikita ko dito na hindi na makakapag-deny ang person mo rito, 'no, 'yan. Nakakaloka at nakakabwisit, 'no, pero yun nga 'no, medyo masakit rin sa inyo 'no, na instead na ikaw yung pinoprotektahan niya pa 'to. Kakaloka, eh, 'no. So, ikinaganda niya ba 'yan? Or ikinagwapo niya ba 'yan? So, gano'ng klase ng energy yung pinapakita ng person mo 'no. So, parang kung sino man 'tong person mo na 'to na parang biglang sa isang ihip lang ng hangin 'no, nakalimutan niya lahat 'no, ng inyong mga pinagdaanan together, 'yan 'no. Yung lahat ng mga pinagsamahan ninyong moments, 'yan 'no, memories 'no. Parang lahat yun bigla na lang naglaho 'no, na parang bula. So, nakita ko dito 'no, that this is you. You're trying to make things right in here, no? So you're moving on with your life, yan, no? But you will not leave it ng ganito lang, no? You will definitely fix this. Kasi yung iba, parang binaliktad kayo ng person ninyo. So you want to give proofs, evidences, no? Lalo na dun sa kanyang family, no? Kasi mukhang nabaliktad kayo dito, no? Kayo yung nasira. Okay. Alam mo na 'no, yung taong gumagawa talaga nun mismo 'no, yun talaga yung naninisi ng iba na, "Ikaw ginagawa mo yun, pero yun siya pala yung gumagawa." Naku, proven and tested na yan 'no. So, may mga gano'ng klase ng energy. So, I think mapapatunayan mo dito yung truth and magsisimula ka ulit 'no, with that kind of life na gusto mo talaga 'no. Alam mo mga babes 'no, when you find balance in yourself, you attract the same energy as yours 'no. So, nakikita ko dito as you move on with your life with the Six of Air energy 'no, makakatagpo ka ng mga tao rito na kaparehas ng energy mo. The friends 'no, na mga gusto mo rito 'no, the kind of friend that you like, you're gonna attract them. They matches your energy when it comes to friendship. The love, the kind of love that you want 'no, you'll attract your perfect match right in here, okay? As long as you feel whole 'no, and that's why you want to create this transformation, this change, because this is what you envision here for your future, especially kung meron kayo ditong child or may mga anak kayo, okay? But yung iba, wala kayong anak dito, just take how this resonates, okay? You're just moving on, giving justice here for yourself, wanting that kind of change because you know that you only live once and you only remember the life, no, na nabubuhay ka here on earth. And you want to make that, no, such a happy chapter 'no or like a book 'no na parang kahit na matanda ka na and you want to um, make 'no na alalahanin ng iyo rito 'no na mga pinagdaanan 'no, alam mo na meron ka ritong nagawa 'no na baguhin yung life mo, okay. So tama 'yan kasi 'wag ninyong hayaan na maging miserable yung buhay ninyo dahil lang merong isang energy rito 'no na walang ginawa kundi magbigay ng problema sa'yo. 'Di ba? Yeah, kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to 'no, the truth will prevail, that's the promise of justice in upright position. Balance and release is definitely perfect combination because this is universe guaranteeing you guys na kung ito man ay klase ng court cases, example lang, idiomatic expression lang 'to 'no, sureness na panalo ka dito, 'yan 'no. At kung meron man talagang literal na legalities, court cases involved right in here, the ball is at your court 'no, and you're gonna win over this person here. Whatever that court cases is, the favor is nasa you. Okay? So yeah, these are all the messages I've got right here for you guys, no? Thank you so much. Again, I'm your Yana on Sarang Heyo, Love and Light. 안녕.